Now, today I'm going to talk the concept of softwares. Now, there was a time the softwares were all not there. Now, you imagine 30 years ago, 20 years ago, there was no astrological software. So, to learn astrology, you need to use ephemeris. To learn astrology, you need to know the astronomical calendars, you need to know the solilunar calendar, all the thing was required across. But the year 1995 was a kind of a year marked. That was a kind of a very, very different year as far as the astrological softwares are concerned. The astrological softwares were able to innovate a lot and it started getting a printout. Earlier, people used to write the horoscope in a notebook, and that notebook used to be carried along for different astrological reading and purpose into their life. There is one more technique I would do to tell you about it. Whenever you are having a bad time, throw away your old horoscope and write a fresh horoscope. It's like a restart of your life, and try to write it in a good time. The second thing is, don't keep your horoscope in a very crumpled fashion. It shows your destiny, your life is all very, very crumpled across as a person. So this is a too important technique. Whenever you are having a difficult time, rewrite your entire horoscope by your own hand, or take the help of somebody and ask them to write the horoscope in the hand. It will make a huge difference. The other one is, throw away the old horoscope, take a fresh horoscope. It's a way to have a new beginning in your life. Now let me come to the softwares part of it. One of the most famous software here in South India is the Astrovision. Now Astrovision had developed the horoscope very well. I know them for a long period of time, and they have been promoting the astrology part of the horoscope part of it, where in terms of software, you load the software, you take a printout, literally lot of parameters are given, lot of predictions are given, so that you would be able to impress the clients across, and they are in a multi-language. But there are some limitation towards it. You cannot understand all the 48 dashas of Parasura, and it is not very flexible across. There is an other horoscope maker who is very famous in Delhi. It's called as the Parashura Hora. Now this is also a very good horoscope. There are a lot of interfaces are available across, and people can use it, and you can actually take a printout in a color, and also you would be able to transfer the data. You can type and you can send it across. Now this is the second software which is supposed to be very good. There is another software which is freely downloadable. It's called as the Jagannath Hora. Jagannath Hora actually was a game changer. Narasimha Rao was kind enough to give the horoscope free for everybody across. You can simply download. There were absolutely all the 48 dashas of Parasura was put. There were different techniques. The chakras were put across. There was a lot of techniques which were not available in the common public and in the platforms of astrology. That is available everywhere. The problem with that software is it is not available in the cell phone format. Now you want to see in the cell phone format, it is not available across. But it's a good software. It doesn't have a prediction, but it has a lot of data, compilation of data, where you can see all the Vargas in one page, Ashtavarga in one page, and it's like a very comprehensive software. It is available for free. The other important software which is available is the Junior Jyotish software. Now Junior Jyotish was putting only Rashi and the Navamsa part of the software. They have evolved a lot. They have gone ahead, and it is also partially free and it is partially paid. but even the free version is, I considered, very good. I request people to pay because it is very minor. It is around 250 rupees across. It's not going to make a big difference, and I think we should buy softwares which helps people to make money across. The other one is the Panchang software, which is available across. Now it gives you Panchang detail. It also gives the Kundalini detail. Drik Panchang is the software which is available across. Now this gives you Rasi, Navamsa and Dasha Bhukti in the Pratyantara Dasha level, which I think is sufficient if you're going to do the basic levels of astrology. Now, if you want the advanced level of astrology, you want the Rashi Dasha, you want the Kala Chakra Dasha, those are like, it's like a 5-star hotel. You want a menu at a very high level, and that is Jagannath Aura. The Jagannath Aura is operable in the desktop. It is not available in the cell phone version, but all these softwares I told you, Astrovision is available, and there are other softwares which are also available that is for sale. Some people have put the Muhurta software, some people have put the Prashna software. All these softwares are very good across as a person. So if you want to buy these softwares, it is available at the description box. Go down, and wherever it's freely downloadable, you can still click the link and go and download it. There are numerology softwares which are available free. There are Vastu softwares which are available free, and it is all well advanced. It's like, the previous version is not as good as the current version. So therefore, astrology in the calculation, many people ask, do we write in the hand? Do you use Panchang? All that data is over. All that data is absolutely over. There is no need to calculate. You can send the entire horoscope in the WhatsApp. You can send the reading in the WhatsApp. All these things have changed a lot. The history of astrology, especially after 2000, especially in the computation part of it, has changed. If you want to do the Ashtavarga for Dashamsa, it is available. You want to see the transit from different angle, from Saturn, from Jupiter, you can see that across. So all these facilities are given. The techniques of astrology with the help of softwares, the accuracy is improved, and also it has exploded in the last 20 years across as a person. Therefore, you want to learn astrology, you can learn astrology without calculation. Do not get carried away by people who teach you calculation. Remember, it is all over. Now, many people teach for 2 years calculation and then they try to talk about 6 months of prediction. It is not needed. All the calculation is all over, and you do not require any calculation. You can take a printout, you can send in the e-format, you can send in the PDF format, you can send in all kinds of formats. You do not require any of these things across as a person. It's all changed. The worldview has changed. So please learn to use the software if you're going to make up the prediction. There are a lot of schools in astrology which I would be talking about, and there are a lot of areas of astrology which can be covered, which is not done by the common people across. So there are other things about astrology which we would be talking across, which will be very, very useful and helpful to you. Thank you.